Imagine buildings rising faster than ever before. Picture a world where the construction of homes, offices, and even bridges is not only quicker, but also more efficient and sustainable. This is not a distant dream, but a reality unfolding before our eyes. Picture homes built with less waste and more affordability. Traditional construction methods often result in significant material waste and higher costs. However, with 3D printing technology, we can minimize waste and reduce expenses, making housing more accessible to everyone. This is the promise of three-dimensional printing in civil engineering. By layering materials precisely where needed, 3D printing allows for intricate designs and structures that were previously impossible or too costly to achieve. We are entering a new era of construction, one where innovation meets sustainability. The use of eco-friendly materials in 3D printing further enhances the environmental benefits, reducing the carbon footprint of new buildings. Three-dimensional printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is changing how we build our world. This technology allows for the creation of complex structures with unprecedented precision and speed. Get ready for faster, cheaper, and greener structures. The efficiency of 3D printing not only speeds up the construction process, but also significantly lowers costs, making it a game changer for the industry. This technology is not just a futuristic dream, it's happening now. Around the world, companies and researchers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing, creating real functional buildings. Companies and researchers are building real structures with three-dimensional printers. From residential homes to commercial buildings, the applications of this technology are vast and varied. From homes to bridges, the possibilities seem endless. Imagine a future where entire communities are built using 3D printing technology, providing affordable and sustainable living solutions for people everywhere. Join us as we explore this exciting revolution in the making. The era of 3D printed construction is here, and it's transforming the way we think about building our world. So, how does it work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of 3D printed construction. Imagine a giant robotic arm with a nozzle, almost like a futuristic sculptor. This nozzle extrudes a special concrete mix, layer by layer, creating the building's structure from the ground up. It follows a digital blueprint, carefully placing each layer to form walls, floors, and even intricate designs. The precision is remarkable. Think of it like a high-tech cake decorator, but instead of icing, it uses concrete. Each layer is meticulously placed. As each layer hardens, the printer adds another on top. This ensures the structure is strong and stable. This process continues until the entire structure is complete. It's a seamless blend of technology and construction. It's like building with digital Lego bricks, but on a much larger scale. Each piece fits perfectly into the next. This method allows for incredible precision and flexibility in design. Architects and engineers can create complex structures that were once impossible. The possibilities are endless, from residential homes to commercial buildings. 3D printing is revolutionizing the construction industry. Imagine entire neighborhoods built with this technology, providing affordable and sustainable housing solutions. Plus, the materials used can be eco-friendly, reducing the carbon footprint of construction projects. It's an exciting time for the construction industry, as we build dreams, layer by layer, with the help of cutting-edge technology. Three-dimensional printing offers numerous benefits over traditional construction methods. One of the biggest advantages is reduced waste. By printing structures layer by layer, we use only the material needed, minimizing excess and scrap. This eco-friendly approach aligns perfectly with sustainable building practices. Another key benefit is speed. Three-dimensional printing can significantly reduce construction time. With fewer workers and less material handling, projects can be completed much faster. This efficiency translates into cost savings, making housing and infrastructure more affordable. Imagine stepping into a home built entirely by a three-dimensional printer. This is no longer a fantasy. Companies around the world are printing entire houses, complete with walls, roofs, and even built-in features. These homes can be constructed in a matter of days, offering a solution to housing shortages and affordability challenges. One remarkable project is the three-dimensional printed community in Mexico. This project aims to provide affordable, sustainable housing for families in need. The homes are printed using locally sourced materials, further reducing the environmental impact. Section 5. Bridges of the future, printed and resilient. 3D printing is not limited to buildings. Engineers are exploring its potential for infrastructure projects, such as bridges. Imagine a bridge printed on-site, reducing transportation costs and construction time. These bridges can be designed with complex geometries, enhancing strength and stability. In the Netherlands, a 3D printed steel bridge showcases the technology's capabilities. This innovative project demonstrates the potential for 3D printing to revolutionize bridge construction, offering durable and aesthetically pleasing solutions. Section 6. Beyond concrete, expanding material horizons. While concrete is commonly used in 3D printing, it's not the only material. Researchers are experimenting with a variety of materials, each with unique properties. Imagine structures printed from high-strength steel, lightweight composites, or even recycled plastics. These advancements open up exciting possibilities for building stronger, lighter, and more sustainable structures. The future of construction could involve a diverse palette of materials, each tailored to specific project needs. Section 7. AI and robotics, shaping the future of construction. The future of 3D printing in construction is intertwined with artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. Imagine AI algorithms optimizing designs for strength and material efficiency. Picture swarms of robots working collaboratively on construction sites, directed by AI. This synergy of technologies has the potential to revolutionize how we build. We can expect to see increased automation, improved safety, and even more innovative designs as AI and robotics become integral to 3D printing in construction. Section 8. Overcoming challenges, safety standards and scale. While the potential of 3D printing in civil engineering is immense, challenges remain. Ensuring the safety and structural integrity of printed buildings is paramount. Developing industry standards and building codes specific to 3D printed structures is crucial for wider adoption. Scaling up production to meet the demands of large-scale construction projects is another hurdle. As the technology matures and costs decrease, we can expect to see 3D printing playing an increasingly prominent role in shaping our built environment. Section 9. Join the revolution: careers and innovation in 3D printing. The world of 3D printing is rapidly evolving, and its impact on civil engineering is profound. From creating intricate architectural models to constructing entire buildings, this technology is transforming the way we design and build our environments. The 3D printing revolution in civil engineering is just beginning. Imagine a future where buildings are constructed faster, with less waste and more precision. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that's unfolding right now. This burgeoning field offers exciting career opportunities for engineers, architects, material scientists, and software developers. Each role is crucial in pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing technology. As the technology advances, we need skilled professionals to drive innovation and push the boundaries of what's possible. The demand for expertise in this area is growing, and those who are ready to embrace this challenge will find themselves at the forefront of a technological revolution. Whether you're passionate about sustainability, fascinated by robotics, or eager to develop new materials, there's a place for you in the world of 3D printing. The integration of robotics and 3D printing is particularly exciting, offering new ways to automate and innovate in construction. Or driven to design the buildings of tomorrow, 3D printing technology provides the tools and opportunities to turn visionary ideas into tangible realities. Architects and designers are now able to experiment with forms and structures that were previously impossible to achieve. 3D printing offers a chance to shape the future of construction. By integrating this technology into traditional building practices, we can create more efficient, sustainable, and innovative structures. Embrace the challenge, explore the possibilities, and join the revolution. The future of construction is here, and it's being built layer by layer with 3D printing. Be a part of this exciting journey and help shape the world of tomorrow.